Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, September 11, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Monday, September 11, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong September 11, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, September 11, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 14.5 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 29.7 million pesos for Monday, September 11, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, September 11, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.